I GC News, Meba Ubibia Kwaba, I had the latest hot equa era mede Bramo. I don't see so subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, Obe subscribe. Rawayan say, Obe click a year the subscribe button, now our belly notification. We had a video for Frubia be uploaded. When the first person I was a Becca a year, sa video. I feel we are now like video, no, give us a thumbs up. Nafi. Shema wo foforo so da wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo gara memwa atentemara yembura ye ensemo abeto yepono so inti ye sa report ya babeto dwa mu iti sansemu yi enti se de Ghana for kwa hu ye hia mu no eya wo da ho a munya ti se ya ti bibi buo so na se awasa ade ne buo ba fam a na mo kwa pai mu hu dia munya mo na mo dam social media chese mu tete Asaba nkrena aha politics na ye wa Ghana ha no enti ase ne ni ana ase de pa ne ha ye ni nti ase ho ase enkofo do political party chair wo minor kasa Ghana na esi ho no eno me follow enkofo bebre wo social media me mbo wudi ma wo ma menya attention menya followers me nya ho modi but one was niema hunu da mo ye wo social media no NPP journalists for na money abru social media na eyama asa eyama homete eyamo yase niema boa ba from mo benya anka niema boa ye den kroma ye den enu na mo pese Ghana for kwa titi mu and you see which NPP leadership subanye wo mumu no enu na wo mo chitafom because leadership of the party no e won to wo mo se eniema boa ba from na na bi sori no atise Waba foma na no wo yira no sama hi agba no richi da hi agba no osori no oti sade ma bu akofoma na otete ye mo Afenyo Markin no oti sade ma bu aba foma na bibi ya no anodo brokwa de bobo wati ano echese ni suru gujam na koma tse mo benya BP mo bewu o mese mo benya BP mo bewu hey Ghana for was see the kind of people I do my way share what myself fear watching. Fuwala aswati ababedu baby aye way and menya and answer me advert mobia. Oko filling stations no do na goodness crowd there at about 12:37. 12 CD 37 pesos. Menya advert momo. But this is the reality on the ground. Eno mania brida mo ana mo ka receipt me aye fa dey say at cement so you people are jokers. You are jokers. So mo no send your cement buaya den na ekosoro no e ka mo nko anka de buanya den sa because mo no mo wiewia sika de ko mo dem eti mo tam kro no sika na betimi de akwakoto cement ne send ya ne buotie bia akrofo meka kire mo da bia sa mo ya akrofo mo wiewia mine sika de bia gugu mo paase de bia gugu mo politankim e bia ya account mu ma eti mu no matter the price of the commodity mu betimi ato eti mu drain gather for ho mu ti sane ma bo akofo mo na bibi ya mo na makoma you people are bunch of jokers what I say. And here, mommy can be in trouble. Expiry dates are coming. If you people don't know, expiry dates are coming. You just want to find ways and means to be relevant in the system. That's all. Now, because I'm a flag man now, more than the buyer now. Economic risk and now I'm born out would run yan hono. I want to know one casa and some more say you demand. When I be car, you are insulting Bawumia. Major I did not tell me so bon. Yakaso obi abon wa ye ni na pem wa bon onu na ba packaging and which say yes or economic wizard full package sana home accounts men di home accounts of atem because home accounts there your accounts wa ye de ye aduane papa enti Dr. Bawumia so me aduane no home accounts no ye no oba packaging and which say wa ye economics I mean say home economics na to na o ti ya wa so wa ye economics. What's why economics? And what about that young Ghana and film what and you see Bawumia can lie through his teeth.
and still close his mouth and still lie again. And I mean, when the video be a mabama, huh? On one person, no more so what kind, Assembly Sanchez, at a point, a crowd on Alajabatino, Nobu Jamba for what one, what Casacafena, some Yobosari. And they were like, me a sure someone will come with him say, hey, Bawumia. Once a trouble one would dear, which and when you know, Sim Puma, when you know, I feel like you open baby Ganafa and put in our to move Ganafa. It's about to attack with them who never be amfa. Some truly been another Bawumia, because about Bawumia, Nina Tem. And people found out more intolerance, no. More to me, be a man, no catch a mama, so I bone, or no, or be a carry. Now we are catching with somebody, we have a bone, and I'm a brofu. Ya catch up with a good father, a bone, and I'm a brofu, and I'm go papai. Now, more son, no, come to me to do Mahamatem. No 6 people. More to me to do Mahamatem. A chick of it. I'm a much say, near my air, so you see, celebrate. Amu say baby a problem one electricity now no mean that divert of attention. You can't divert the attention of the nation. Let me tell you point blank. And your man akos wo krom no mutini divert attention. My catch them last week say some group of people you from who NPP for omo yan tro wo mo no amon ntro na ada o. And almost package propaganda ba wo a wo eno no mo ya no 2016 na Ghana fo nyina akodi o machi say na wo mo ya azan omo ni agrada difference bi ani omutam azan ko a ono akwasa ko gitum so ya azan and omo yes ani amana 8 years na mo ma dwene kire mo say Ghana fo ya jimia to the stand say eti ya dwene mo bie da ho mo ka say taxes na mo de ba ye 20 not taxes in the Bay Juma and Yajuma. They say quite a much said them. You have a long way to go. More quite so. So where you are mobile dia and your mobile Juma ya papa. One day one press conference. One day one press conference. And number ya Juba. Nana be brana a Justin Kojo Kyeremanteng. Kojo brana a hiagbano no ababejeno. Also brana no Dompreh abejeno. Also brana Afenyo Markin Cries. Also brana au MPO kwedi swame de kwedi chemensa bonsuade kwa ya na mgwa finidi we ni wan pintiminim no me na me pese kwa mehu no so aba beti asim ena ba kuyo ma bona so wajagwa we yo wi asiti what is up Jerry o sahwan no so aba beti asim first time MP awoba fia wunhia de propaganda that I didn't normal. I am normal. And you see Ghana for mami kabi binchire ya nkase si enyo obina se nipa no ehye niam ebetime den sisa ba ya brabo mu a ye hwese e be support nipa no eya den ya obenya against for and za against for no na ye NPP journalist for no omtiti social media no TV station no so no and NPP for na nkasa leadership na nkasa na muntie cement afanye that video na already afato so my and I'm content because issues na do so na bo ne pa e wase ya kan nyina na kan ya adwenkyere omo what ma say sa that be mami afanye that video na asa na pro de na ye last be come adwenkyere do ho no se mune sa na modi to krom ha na mo titi ni pa live just obi anya da no sori de beba di tirim bia no afra press na me sa press conference fo no hu me wase me da humpo me na ko press conference anya nsa wo bo adi mpuntu be bra Ghana fo she na wo bi ti sa go attorney general anya na press conference me wo ho because me say me wo mu wi aye no mo wi aye no me information na magana fo ate ko be fo so be je sika attorney general ye sika de mo twi wo mu tan ye beje ye omu twi wo mu tan ye beje de agudam no ani de agu politank mu no ni nyina ye beje na mo kan check no for ya ta say ni date no share ye na ya so wanya no amra because why dey ya no ho beto no me say kan for ya is one person. I will pray for him not to die. I will pray for Kenofrata, he will never die. I was saying Kenofrata backroom ha. no be face prosecution baabi a yesika bia akwahye bia wo second for to make sure say yesaka yesika saa mena na watu wo honom no cathedral na mena no saa ne obato wanua no so obende because say na gala wo mutu gala me say ho mu gold ntu enti na no mani abro mutu amena no eno afa ye ho amena no $52 million no ekwan bia so woni na adun kwaya meeting ekwan yo bafa so woni opoku nyina ene Dr. Joyce aye akonya mefa so amudi esika beba bia mofa esika baye ya nsuma na ado so ogose Gyame bo me tena me dia do me hye Nyankopon bo a eye between me ne bagu Nyankopon me expect so audition for the sika da so me so na mako for fele boss na ma hye Nyame no it doesn't work like that. Now we even told Akufo Addo say no mine ne cathedral yere asori da ya kase da owura bia so for bia so da mu obeku achi Dr. Williams asori owura ya what say on table na sorry da mu say ya mu wura mu asoda na say yeah Entigana yanka Cecilia ya priority ya cathedral aya nanado na kwose ne bo aya oni ni Nyankopon tamasem enti sen ko besi cathedral na si ewiem ana obesi asi ni dayachi eno na nya ya yasem ba nanado da kwa Akufo Addo we Gyame ni nkotam wo man sika e de kotu amena me dia hye me kwa ne sen ka on de on si cathedral ni mpo what apart from someone we are sika dina we do want sabu boy sika mo akotu amena no we dey anka to foundation keke to foundation my you say ya 2 blocks 1 2 3 be enie why you don't want to amena don't go awe Nyame ni maka cha Ghana for say wakofa ebuo dey free Israel aba ba tu krom ebuo and you see this is and your mama I cut to Ghana 14 two religious and yare mama catch off and you does say yan fan pie bomb man ya bomb pie e de bo empanyimfo na ye di wo masisi ho no ya bomb pie support wo me say Nyame bobo mo ho ban na wo mo nkwane anwoden nyansa e na di bu man nyansa afanye does ye nyansa na di bu man enyam. And you see that your hypocrisy lifestyle, no? This time you're back on boot for boot. What you say? After Nazi, and why glow? You're back on boot for boot. Won't be able to be uncle.
The next topic, the energy sector, is the way forward for ECG.
Afi one solid one ECG.
That God will be gracious to Ghana. And show our leaders clearly the specific areas of ECG ought to be privatized.
Now otchere electricity no baby say the ma anko na wonye adwuma wo ho.
Let there be a national consensus on the labor front to avoid strikes and other forms of agitation.
Anno adogbeja no joba ni me ni saka keneke sade ne aya me ye fe ye ma me ye akatwa me ye na people ni sade afili.
Let's pray.
Now was so
the ECG before you. Father, it's a tonic issue, but you are the representative of wisdom. So we are asking, oh God, for the way forward. Father, there are so many problems, Father, that they are encountering, but you know and you have the solutions. Father, we will pray for that before you. Let them know specific areas to be privatized. Let there be a consensus on the labor.
Great. Wow, Afenyo does wow hypocrisy. We are not chum papa. Bible say nya one na say me say ready na be kwa so ahina mo. Ade na wo enye nya muso adwuma na wo ye no. Eye nya chum. We are partisan person. We are NPP ni. We are the body ni ankasa na be come crash now. We are the body ni we your ba panjai. Era ejinza eve ajin ne we got some papa phone say na Nyankopon ha ne hutia ho. We Mukasa Bible full hypocrisy lifestyle and Bible say nyame obaha ne ho no atie ho nti woda wonti krom ha ana ne adum kania 24/7 and apo na pona mu kwa gitum wonim say assembly aba ya na napo ni abre say yakwaya ya timetable freedom na me say yakwaya pay attention to him. He admitted say dum so wo ho. He admitted say dum so awo ho. Samra no afagidazi na wo ba pa ye kire nyankopon so ma dum so kwa na enye ye ho sa tablo na wo ba pa ya ebetse for medwa mo ka wo bi na mo ba nya mesoma ye den no mo ya nya atwombodo mo ka wo you see you know say ni pa wo a on so nya me da mo ka dokore mo ye nkontompofo ankasa ena ma ka kire wo say say sa nya mesoma na so wo so ma on kwa heaven say heaven bi wo ha sa heaven no on ko bi. We are chumpa, Afenyo does we are chum. We're not pono, Tiano. Give me na pony and query. A crumb fat truffle. When see a job said Yamunyama last time now. Baby, as I said, a boot for boot. Would you see your debate? Give me na po.
4 years. MPP administration, energy sector is 300 times better than the man.
But we are still experiencing doom so.
Nobody has said we haven't. I'm just saying it's far much better than your mama ever did.
You admit there is doom so in the country?
You do admit that there's doom so.
That is the word you use. I have never used that word. I promised you that we are going to work on it. And it's not a work that is a single event. It's a process. And we'll continue to work on it for the energy sector to become better.
Have you heard of calls for table?
Ask those who want to bring it. They should bring it. If there is, I haven't seen any timetable.
My people are calling for it.
They bring a timetable. What do you mean? ECG says that there is no timetable coming. Why do you want to bring a timetable? What purpose? Why would somebody get up and wish evil or bad for the country?
No, it's not how bad it is.
Actually, so when it is not planned, you can't tell the person.
So
it's in Ghana and Nigeria. You live in this country and you live in this country and Nigeria.
Meme mame onyenya atwom sa mama rest in peace me nyame onyenya atwom onye hypocrite what ma say what mbeti ya me mame sa lifestyle we ya we oni bi we nya atwom papa Kristo ni nya sa wa mu ya nkofobia meme hwemo say ya sa nya ba srentete ya pa ne de mame a mu sa mu bi ni pa bam wo nya be som ho wa o characters bit is Afenyo dazi mu bi ni pa bam wo nyame som ho napo kika sa ansem we wo kroma no Afenyo na zena we ntina woti kroma mese sampa mo na abo na Anno Saturday se hwa wo Blaster Square ho no ma me ka cho ene na Blaster Square ho anko ba bia o ibi letpo kwa antra me ka kire and that wo ka sa wa bompa ye bia kire nyame ontie nya atwomfo pipe nyachum for empire bo enti na Bible kwa ka se nyachum ya de bia na chi wade ompe we nipa na wuti wiase be very principle, be very objective. Which all principle aseme ye no kure no eye ba akopo entro the doors wo entro and the doors so obi odi ntro bia na no ye ba akomienu me se nan because anytime you was so cancer foforo edit etwitwaje no ho what's na krom ha 8 years yani abri na dum so abo ena na pawo ye danyo asemonya timetable fifie samususu so dum so ho a monya timetable o ka sa asa na kire ye kra no na wasai admit se ampa dum so ho me kwa na page smith we wa no ba say na page what the flyer beto a obi ti land post so en wa tro so dum siesie e one sector minister no aye cartoon obi ti land post so a ho to adonko hey Ghana ha ya wunya matwamo what you don't go what you turn a personal page and what you do see that was NAPO time no Afenyo does now we were here what was our blood was agu na no wa ga say twa we blaster square kaneno na Akufo nim say the papa bi na wo ye na Akufo nim say nyame sum papa bi na wo ba wo da wo no what was na park me let suit me ye na go to the regions not regions you know every Jubilee Park obaka say Jackson Park obaka here park some park na what regional basis you know now grow for Agyarko faso Dia content so every first Saturday bia no be that so na no call blaster square twa we no remember some buy obi abehu na me de me wiase ametie no me ade a me chiri ye ntoro nyatwom mempe ade na ya black e fita won say won ka no kwenti da bia wa no bebre mema se ma me ka e ba akope me Gyamfi ko gina ba bia o dada na me ka na enua na me ka na no na obi bi sa me say aya ada na wanya wo bra gina po na wutwa bo na me se ma ni twa bo no because obaya no obi agitum some mess e wo energy sector which was caused by Afenyo Markin, NAPO, Dubik Mahama, and it's our NPP for no obi ani na wo betu sector a car a dawo 60 billion over 60 billion. We expect to say sector no e dey aba papa be no ho hwini ho obi amotimi ye nyame anim won say ato abawie omare kudu kwa wo so mo krade ba ma Ghana for ye timi di kanea no abo ne ba ye tina be ka cho sa Ghana for ho MPP for ye nkofo bia ye ho kire ya no mo pe. That's the reason why you mo aba mu no wo kasa se bibi nkoyi a no ma fa ho ta wo ya anti nanado wo ya anti Bawumia wo ya anti NPP and mo Bawumia na mu na nam land you say hwan a o pacho afede anyame ya titi biomo anyame ya titi me na me catch Bawumia say on for na chopper me na chopper na me fa nya hwe you know why enkrofo omugu ye out of insisaya body omode ba krom ha no sa enkrofo no Bawumia we betimi ayi ma ba nkomu bioma na banks na mo ne mo ka no for Atta no gu no e ma nkofo sika kwaka mu afede sika no mo twe antwe o mo ye bibi anya ye hospital mo timi ko mo wuo no Bawumia wa chopper no e do mbeba nkomu ada afei debt restructuring program na mo be ye no munya former chief justice e ma no ko piketi ye no me pa cha sa ade na betu mo ba nkwam Dum so na Afenyo does ya ni abre no wo de release ade ni nyina ena me de wo kom wo hwade release picture ni nyama Ghana for hwade Ghana Power Producers call off shutdown after interim due rate. Mami another one. Where your time na IPPs for no near bro ni abai AC akatim say we will shut down plants. Government has reached agreement with 5 independent power producers. Finance minister agreement be no ko reche ye. Agreement omo reche ye ne say e kana wo ma bragu ho no. Wo mo bra no mo ntua ne ketenkete. Na wo ami under wo kwa ya na e kana da ho no na wo nim se mo ntimi ntua no. Na wo so te so ma ani na papa ne metua ka no. Mo ja ho kwa no. Na wo so te so mo ma ne papa ne metua me bwa. Ghana faces imminent power crisis as IPPs threaten shutdown over $1.7 billion a debt. Welcome in with debt na kedabwane. 1.73 Akufo June 27, 2023. You are here talking nonsense. Akufo bi no send ya do ma MPP for we power. Wo mo ni mani ngwase o. Party be say what doma who sell your life, who sell your career. Because one here, we be sure 2 years no credit, who can be da. Sometime in na IPPs, you know, Akufo Addo ne Bawumia, any kind of Atta drum ka omuntia, and a cane pile. The last people to even comment or talk about doing so, I am MPP for no. Wow, abrabɔ na ye bɔ no e wo se mba no kwe e ba wanu won se na no MPP fine dollar na a depreciate asidi manya ahode no e ya mamu nto aso me ba be ka kire mo se ya mamu nto aso ade na dum so ne de ya mamu nto aso. Common sense should let you know that these people are deceits. Amuya nada from kontompo for Mami Bawumia, we are not in a chop on a trasho. One make a choice as we are so on a wood trow. One and throw a baby. One way are some other can win Pumakran wet with him. Ebine eye Bawumiano. What did trust if you said the bottom line is our patch on a mess our chop and me find your never you. We best say we have find your Mami Bawumia.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will recall that I stated in 2014 that if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. That was true then and it is true now. It is 100% correct. So if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But it is warped logic to jump from that to a conclusion that if there is depreciation in the currency, then the fundamentals must be weak. Do you understand the logic? It is very warped logic. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But if the exchange rate moves, you cannot jump to that conclusion that the fundamentals are weak. That defies logic.
Hey, Bawumia, it's logic and analysis here. Once you watch on one logic, it is what logic, and you cannot jump into a conclusion that if the fundamentals are weak. Hey, let's say no trying to answer. Now, what was it on Abu Jamba for you? That him know. What was that the Allah so now then say that was it? Eh, Bawumia and trade. One I can say if the fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate to expose you. Exchange rate yeah expose you. We see how there be your logic across the one to them. Now who can say Ghana for your bone? Right. What was that the Allah now then? Makacho say, "Whoop man boya for a sound crofui." Financial part to us, so now we can see ourselves to have phone lines.
I believe that there's no doubt, as Chairman Ben also said, that we didn't get everything right. MPP did a lot of work. There's no doubt about it, but we did not get everything right. We got quite a few things wrong, and I think that. On my own behalf, on behalf of the party and the government, I apologize to you for us not getting the things right that we should have gotten. We didn't get anything right. I believe that if by the grace of God we have another opportunity, I believe that we will get many things right because we've learned the lessons of where we are.
Dr. Bawumia, don't deceive yourself because you are not getting any other chance. You had 8 years, you mess it up straight away. You had 8 years, you mess it up. This your apology, eh? And for no more musika asheno. And no more musika ashio, motiaso, mada yarefon. Sawa apology no. Me pacho beti me restore mo back na. Answer me. If this your apology, everything you restore men's God customers back, you don't accept it. Sawa apology ya would ya bad nay. Everything you restore one more with that restructuring program no. Amo musika ashe, o musika asa na papa na o we am reference doctor ni din. When say ACP agozo all launch the book no say papa no ko ho e ka senka owasika obetimi dia to book ni bi no ade say akwato bond Akufo Addo any kind of for that Bawumia akwafa debt restructure aba ma the sika ahye sa papa no wawu Bawumia wa apology no ebetimi a resurrect papa na na e resurrect na walai we are in Mustafa Hamid voice walai yabaji apology natum make abibia say to me this papa never baka yabaji atum wunya 8 years one mercy 8 years in up we be ka kire ya say ya ma another chance we be dey Afenyo Bawumia ji atum say corruption kurano na ekoso wa NPP amamuom no ogitum say eyampa na ekoso they got it wrong. Arrogance of power ahomasoa me na we don't need wrong. Arrogance of power Bawumia gitum say afedie na ye no kore enti afemu anamo ne dam social media docs na mo ne nam social media na mo keka nkwasem na mo tronsem fun afeda me ka cha me say medidi Bawumia atem because me ka kira o say wo kronfo a me ni watem fa ye sika breye e simple wo amode masro akoka no updated version eba mobile di na bow number mo kwana mo ko kire sika no simple mesa ka bi em ha wa waje masro akoka ya de track album wa yi track na free ma yentimi track ka no wo ya kronfo we be say we aka no ya kronfo maka ni play enye play fa mese wa fa masro akoka ya de track a shaka nim for a purpose. And you know the shame, a must work the shame, a ya buy dear. Won't you can we ya and you dear? So when you track an every one, we are from bloggers now, make us some mucha animal from Fifi, no more Cassianino. Won't you wear fool? No more wants to say. Wa waje maswa car wa yi track and Africa ni mu bia wontu aka wiye no we ya kronfo eya mutwa full statement brothers amwo kroma ahu mu due bua nkasa edu machi ebedi manim one ma mo fefa your content what for and you see me I'm not against you taking my content but adia me chi this obaka asama no and you see what they do these days omo fa content na mo error ne voice over the fashion omo jaima video na wa channel ni pani ntie dia wo waka o no mo ka asem e dia hyewa no bloggers e mesisa na mo betwa mo kan kira maso akofo no omo mo twa na no dia kira mo a ora kwa maso akosa me so mo ya akonfo no yes me so mo ya akonfo I said it in the context waje maso akoka na wa yi track da free yentimi track ka ni bi ma wo ya hwan no tell me wo ya hwan it doesn't belong to you. You do that, you are a thief. Some women say they did kroma na yaso so nyema bi so na enkofo bi ye nyema wo mo pe. And Bawumia pa yen Ghana fo achew. Fa wa chew because my mom no born no he ma me ka chew Bawumia. Wa chew pa no Volta radio for na mu bie akoso mo nso na ekose wo me japade. Ene nipa wo mo efo mo hire wo mo nyina no achopa no betimi a resource anya ma ne baka na e restore ye beji atu odona mama Cecilia dapaah sika odona ka wo besi nne enso ta na afra de na kwakrom kosho ene ye do ba kwa adanta young man bi a wasi so apostle ye poultry farm enso afa poultry farm nyina kunkuko ni nyina ya sori ani e twasika millions of dollars. See the kwakoti odom ye the kwakoti ti drains him and ensuo yiria aye yearly ritual June July bia ensuo ta e wose Ghana ha sem kesiesi e wose nipa wu e wose japade sei oman ban na poso ukọ wanim a oba wo brasa ni atam millions of dollars ya show babasiansa kwakoti odom ye wi ani aka che se contractor na manemu commission ni na gu ne pass ye dollars no aye wiam wo no kura wo hu se bia yera. You think we are jokers like you? No. Don't deceive yourself. This time around, you're near BA. Would see ye debate chat, Mame Kancho. Journalists be any chrome how you neutral. Don't deceive yourself. Would you imagine baby mudu come off and I industry? It is all trouble do on Facebook. Don't think say yet it's the also or you say and see so what trouble be a man trouble be fan cantano. All in the name is semi them neutral. Madam, bra, you are deceived, you are deceiving yourself. Me hypocrite. Mama will stand. Dianya no make catch saying Honorable NAPO, you got to sack some of the people at the ECG. Period. I cannot agree ECG no. I'm they are so there. What do you expect? What do you expect? Do so now air cosono. Idea a palia. I don't know achievement where the MPP from Dompreh. Now dollar now gold board Sammy Gyamfi. Any Ato Forson gold board that woman there. Yeah, go to Kojo Kyeremanteng room. And when the more achievement to say Yamodia, do me so that woman ya know your press conference with Kwema. Against Zoom so. Shut up. Sa macro for one good parliament one. Moko no much, make one minister more exist. Most the Chief Justice Cry ya reinstating na mumba parliament. Some can be sa. Munya be. 88. Na mo yedede. Na mo 88 mu. Mo for license ba me. 88. Dede na mo be ye wo krom ha. Sa mo dede no so me matame mo. Because yedim dia mo ye ni mra bi atwam this time around ye mama kwa ma nye sa de no de anya wo Mahamadu Bawumia mu no ye beka me nya hypocrites. I will tell you me can say the city we are pointing na obufu ya eno ye wasem eno anya masemo. So far as ade na wo ye ne ba affect Ghana for de me sraw, I don't give a damn. I will tell you my peace of mind. We ye ni here na yaka Kasa ya bama enkofia betum wura dia gum ti se de mututu wura bola ya ba kwan ya fa dia mo ba ye no mo say bola na mutu gum na no na mbe ye. You didn't do anything exceptional. Se mu sa na ye de ti krom ye ntimi kan okra nkyere danfo partisan politics. We are some training now a party ni bi now party ni ya ade na ya ka kire wo party ni se danfo de wo ye yin ye na mo nya hypocrisy na mo di social media me enfa me ho and ye say mo nya adwuma o mo wo say me mama mo adwuma ma mo ye me try ade ba kwa mo timi be try ba 10 ba de ya titi mama mo wa hihim no krom I'm telling you this is just the beginning. The children of the and I won't grammar, no bro for Sonye. Won't copy grammar, no bachelor.
Yo, it for winning and someone about beto. Yep, so because so when you subscribe to channel area, Bawumia say over subscribe. Now, while I give video, no give us a thumbs up, Nafi, Shema, or for Froso. Now, when you be here now, who ends somewhere, Koso, Ewo Ghana, Memohadam. Also, beat me at Che, wondering if I and some way now, I will comment boxing. Mobati, make in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.